Hello fellow wet shavers, Brian here with the Wet Shave Experience. So I got a quick exciting unboxing tonight that I'm going to do real quick. So this package showed up today. This is from Murphy McNeil. I'm sure you can guess what that might be. Excited about this package, so I'm going to use my fancy scissors, which I've already got some tape on. Hope everybody had a good day today. It's Tuesday. This came really super fast. Super surprised how quickly it got here, actually. So, that is my bill of lading here. And there we go. This is Barbershop De Los Muertos 1 and 2, collaboration between Murphy McNeil, John Perry, and Rafa Chicano Designs. So there is the re-release of the original. Some very cool designs on there on the side label. I don't have the scent notes. This is in the Kodiak base. It's my first Murphy McNeil product, so I'm not familiar with the base in terms of having used it before, but pretty excited about it. So let's give it a whiff here. That smells really good. I don't have the scent notes with me. This has been sitting out in the mailbox all day. It's pretty cold, so I think once it warms up, it'll open up a little bit more. And this is number 2, also in the Kodiak base. Some really cool artwork. Wow, that's really nice also. I'm not sure which one I would choose. I almost am leaning towards 2 myself, just based on my initial impressions. Let's see. Got the matching splash. All wrapped very nicely. So these I know are inspired by scents. Again, I don't have all the, so I just decided to grab this out of the mailbox kind of late tonight. So I didn't do any preparation for it. I'd read all the scent notes. There we go, number 2. Before, so one of these I'll be using tomorrow, that's for sure, and then the other I'll be using the next day. So I'll be taking a Fern Squad Fern Boy break for sure for these. And there's the redo. There's some really cool bottles. The caps are really awesome. I like the kind of frosted glass that they have on them. So let's that smells really good. I know that the scent notes were quite, when I read them, there's quite a number of different ingredients in it. So, but there's the front, and then you get the back. It's kind of cool. They got the almost mirror-like label, silver label on there. Wow, it's going to be tough to choose between the 2, but I'll be honest, of the initial impressions, I'm leaning a little bit more towards 2 myself. Let me know if you've picked these up, had a chance to smell them, and what you think. All right, there you have it. Some really cool label art. I'm a big fan of what Rafa and Chicano Designs is doing. I have a couple of his other label soap collaborations that he did with First Line, with Dapper Man and Razor Ruby Undead. So just kind of like the vibe that he's got going on and the cool skeleton stuff he's doing. Anyways, really happy with these. Glad I got in on it, and we'll be using them for the next 2 days. All right, thanks, and we'll see you soon.